With cherry season comes a very simple and French dessert called clafoutis. Hi, my name is Marianne, I'm a French cook and I'm here to share my best recipes. To make a lactose-free, gluten-free clafoutis and still delicious clafoutis, you will need eggs, sugar, I use blonde sugar, almond powder, coconut milk, vanilla extract, salt, a little bit of butter for the mold, and of course, beautiful cherries. The first thing to do is to butter the mold, and we're also going to sugar the mold. This is going to make a beautiful caramel coating in the bottom of the mold. I'm buttering the mold. I've greased the mold and now I'm adding sugar. I'm adding a lot of sugar, but you'll see we're going to get rid of most of it. It's just to have a thin coating of sugar all over the mold. And then you just bang it like this. And you're sure that you have just a very thin layer of sugar all around the mold. I'm keeping this in the fridge. So now I'm going to pit the cherries. Usually my daughter does this, she loves doing it. The cherries are pitted, now we're going to whisk all the other ingredients together. Washing my hands. I'm adding all the other ingredients. I'm just making sure we'll keep a little bit of sugar to sprinkle on the clafoutis when it's cooked. And whisking. The clafoutis is almost ready. Now we're simply going to pour the batter into the mold. And add the cherries. And now I'm putting the clafoutis in a 220 degrees Celsius oven for 30 minutes. I'm going to sprinkle the clafoutis with sugar. So to slice the clafoutis, you need to detach it because we have a nice caramel layer, it might stick. So you can serve this clafoutis hot or cold. Bon appétit! I would love to hear from you. Please let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or if the recipe worked for you. But for now, I say thank you so much for watching and I hope you have a nice day.